YouTube TV remote lag affects 15 to 20% of users, especially during peak usage times. This frustrating issue typically stems from network problems, device limitations, or app glitches. Start with the simplest solutions first. Replace your remote batteries. This single step resolves 30% of all remote lag cases. Clean both the remote sensors and your TV's infrared receiver to ensure clear signal transmission. Next, check your internet speed requirements. YouTube TV needs at least 3 megabits per second for standard definition content and 7 or more megabits per second for high definition streaming. For optimal performance, consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection when possible. If you must use Wi-Fi, move your router closer to the streaming device or use Wi-Fi extenders to minimize interference and improve signal strength. These immediate troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of YouTube TV remote lag issues. Start with the basics, batteries and cleaning, then optimize your network connection for the best streaming experience. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your YouTube TV remote issues, it's time for advanced solutions. Start with comprehensive app troubleshooting to address deeper software problems. Different streaming devices require specific troubleshooting approaches. Let's examine solutions for each major platform, starting with Roku devices. Apple TV users have specific remote and system reset options. The Siri remote can be reset independently, and tvOS updates often resolve compatibility issues. Android TV and Google TV devices often benefit from clearing Google Play Services cache. This resolves many underlying system conflicts that cause remote lag. Smart TV users should prioritize firmware updates and system resets. Samsung Smart Hub and LG WebOS resets often resolve persistent remote responsiveness issues. Prevention is key to avoiding future remote control issues. Establish a regular maintenance schedule to keep your streaming setup running smoothly. Finally, consider upgrading devices that are over 4 years old. Older hardware may lack the processing power and memory needed for smooth YouTube TV operation, making upgrades more cost-effective than continued troubleshooting.